In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo when it keeps replacing Google Chrome. If you're seeing Yahoo results when you type into Chrome's address bar, what's really happening is that your default search engine inside Google Chrome has switched. We're going to set it back to Google and clean up the list so it stays that way. Start by opening Google Chrome. On the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. This opens Chrome's settings page where you can control how search works. On the left side, click Search Engine. This section controls what Chrome uses when you search from the address bar. Look for the option that shows which search engine is currently set. Click the Change control or the drop-down next to Search Engine used in the address bar. Select Google from the list. This tells Chrome to use Google for all new searches you type into the address bar. If Google is already selected but you still see Yahoo, don't worry, we're going to remove the extra entries that may be switching it back. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. You'll see a list of search engines that Chrome is allowed to use. Find any entries you don't want, such as Yahoo or any unfamiliar ones, and click the three dots next to each of those. Choose Remove to delete them from the list. This helps prevent Chrome from switching back if something tries to change your default. Leave Google in the list and make sure it's marked as the default. When Google is set as default and the other options you don't want are removed, your address bar searches should go right back to Google. You can now close the Settings tab and return to browsing. A couple of quick notes to keep things stable. If you use multiple profiles in Chrome, repeat this in the profile where you're seeing the issue. Also, if the setting keeps changing on its own, that can sometimes be caused by an extension or another program on your device. While we won't cover those steps here, knowing this helps you understand why it might come back and what to investigate next. That's it. By opening Chrome, using the three-dot menu to get to Settings, choosing Search Engine, changing it to Google, managing the search engines list, and removing the ones you don't want, you stop Yahoo from taking over your searches in Google Chrome.